Today we will go through some fall prevention exercises. Let's start off with some balancing. What we're going to do is raise our legs and hold each side for 30 seconds. Try to keep a steady posture straight back and then switch sides. We aim to do this about 3 to 5 times a day just to strengthen our lower body and test our balance. Next exercise is tandem walking, so heel to toe walking. What you can do is just find a straight line and go heel to toe, walking back and forth across your living room or your hall, but be sure to be close to a wall just in case you lose your balance. And this is great for steadiness and balancing yourself in tight positions. Let's get a chair and do some calf raises to strengthen our lower part of the legs. What you do is you're going to go on your tippy toes, hold it, and slowly bring down, usually counting to about 5 seconds. We're going to repeat this 5 to 8 times, and that will be considered one set. Now, if possible, you can do 2 to 3 sets at each time. Next exercise is called reverse lunge. We're going to raise your leg up and then bring the leg back. Hold this position for a few seconds and then repeat. I like to usually do this 5 times on each side and then switch legs. That would be considered one set, and then you would do 2 to 3 sets. Determine this by your comfort level and if you're tired or not. If you would like to make it more difficult, you can always let go of holding a chair by using just one hand. Or if you think that your balance is good, you can actually just have the chair there for assistance and use no hands as well. Just make sure that with each reverse lunge, you're holding a few seconds to strengthen the lower body and pelvis. Now let's move the chair and do some leg raises in all directions. So we're going to start with leg and hip abduction. Bring it out and bring it in. You can repeat 5 times in this direction. Next you could do, is leg extension, kicking back. To make this a little bit more challenging, what you can do is slowly take one hand off the chair or even no hands touching the chair. Next exercise will be our little squat, sit to stand, stand to sit. We try to aim so that our knees do not pass our toes while we do this exercise. This is to really test our balance, and our chair is there for support. Now what we could do is move on to some more challenging exercises with regards to movement and balance. We're calling this the star lunge. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go into different positions with your left foot set still and then moving your the right foot in different directions. And then we would switch sides. And what you want to do is just maintain your stability, but going in all directions. Similar to a star. The goal is to do this slowly, with balance, and with proper form. You could usually repeat this 3 to 5 times, and that could be one set. Our next exercise will be side walks. So normally you could place the stick in the middle or you could use an exercise band. And what you want to do is just leap over an object. With control, you could speed up if you're comfortable, but we want to make sure that while we're doing it, we're not touching the object in the middle. We can do this 8 to 10 times for each set. That was the side. Let's do forward motion now. So we're going to step forward and step back. Forward and back. Now with this exercise, our aim is to raise object awareness, knowing that there could be something in the way, but we can still balance ourselves and keep a good pace. If you need, always have a chair nearby or do these exercises close to a wall. And what we want to do is rotate the start of the legs. So initially I started off with the right leg first. Then after reps of 8 to 10, we start off with the left leg. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos, please subscribe, or if you would like to leave a comment, leave the comment below.